In this video, you will learn how to log into your Wix editor, edit text, and change images on your Wix website. So to begin, you need to log into your Wix account by going to wix.com and then clicking on the login button on the top right. Once there, you need to type in your email and password. Wix is usually really slow to load for me. Doesn't matter where or what computer I'm on. It just always takes a while for it to register and to load what I'm trying to do. So, number one, you want to make sure that you're on the right website. If you have multiple websites, I only have one, but if you need to change to the other website, you can do so up here on the top left. And once you have the website selected that you are wanting to make text or images changes to, you go to the top right here and click on Design Site. By default, it will take you to your home page to edit. But if you need to go to another page, for example, one that's on your home menu or your main website menu, you go up here to the top left where it says Page. Click on that. A sidebar will pop out with all of your pages. And then from here, you can select which page you want to edit. So for this video, we're just going to go to the About Us page. And then you can X out of the little sidebar. Now here, this is just a template that the website gave me. So this isn't anything to do with like my YouTube channel or anything like that. But let's say you wanted to change this picture. You can left click on it. And then up here on the very top, kind of to the left, it'll say replace image. And then it has a bunch of images that is provided from Wix. But if you don't want, if you have an image that you want to upload yourself, you go up here to upload media. And then click on upload from computer. And then from here, you can navigate to different file locations on your computer. And you can select the image that you want to upload. So for this example, we're just going to use this one. You can double left click on it. And then it will upload it. So I uploaded an image. And make sure that it has the blue box around the image that you want to use, and then select update on the bottom right. So now it uploaded. The dimensions of the image I uploaded do not match the image dimensions box that's on my page. So you can go up here to edit image. Crop and extend. And then you can select whatever dimensions was used for the for that field on the web page. You can select that same dimension, and then you can click and drag the image, so that way you can choose what portion of the uploaded image you want to use. So if this was like supposed to be a portrait, then you can change it to where, or you can adjust it to where it shows to where it's symmetrical. And then you want to select save. We're gonna do it like we'll just put this one in directly in the center. Just select save, and it will make the changes to the image. Now, if you want to edit text, you simply go into where the text is at, and you can double click on it, and it will put your selection into the text field. And then you can go in here, and once you have everything highlighted, you can hit backspace and it will delete everything. And then you can put in whatever you need to. So if you have text that you need to put in here, you can copy and paste it in here. So and let's say you if you need to add a space so that way you can go to the next paragraph, you can just hit the enter button twice and it will take you down to two two spaces, and then you can continue adding in whatever text you need to. Now, if you need to change the text size, you can go up here to the top center, and you can change the text size for the whole field. If you need one text size to be one size and like another paragraph a different size, then what you can do is create a new text space. So we'll do add on the top left, and then you can go to text and then paragraph, and it has a bunch of paragraphs that have random text in it, and then you click and drag it to where you need it. And then once you have it in position, you can go in here, you can change the text, and if you need to, and you can also change the size for that whole paragraph. That's way too big. Now, if you need a field to be if you need to change the field that's a text to a header, you can click on the field that you want to change, and then go up here to custom styles, and then you can change what type of field it is. If you want it to be a heading field or a paragraph of a different size, then you can do that. Or if you need like a sub heading, then you could put it on heading 2 if you need to, and then that will allow you to make subheadings if you need subheadings. If you need to add a link to a group of text, you can go in and select the text that you want to add a link to, and then once you have it highlighted, select the link button, choose a link, and then from here you can select a page from your website, and let's say you wanted it to be home, you can select home and then select done. And now whenever a visitor visits the website and they click on this text, it will take them to the home page. If you need to remove the link, you highlight the text that has a link on it, select the link button again, and then select remove link. Or if you want it to open in a new tab when a visitor clicks on it, select new tab, and whenever anybody clicks on the tab, it will open the destination link in a new tab, and they will have 2 tabs after that. If you want to add a custom web address, you can select the world globe icon, and when you hover your mouse over it, it says web address, and from here you can enter in a web address. So just for example, we're going to say DuckDuckGo. So if you wanted, whenever they click on it and they go to DuckDuckGo, you just type that in the web address. But I'll just type it in for an example. And then you can select done, and it will change, it will make this web address so that way this link to where it will take them to duckduckgo.com. But we're not going to do that. And so after you make all the changes, it's important that you go up to the top right and first you want to hit preview, and this is to make sure all the text and everything is actually looks good on your changes that you've made. And you can scroll around, and if you made changes on multiple pages, you can go to multiple pages. And then once you're good with all of the changes that you've made, then you can go up here and select publish. And what I usually do after I publish it is I log on to that page on another device just to make sure that there were not any cached, like nothing was cached on my on the web browser that I'm currently using. So I would log on to it with another computer, or have somebody that log on to it to double check your work, just to be sure that your changes are how you wanted them to be. And that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe down at the bottom. And as always, have a good one.